Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a portfolio on Yahoo Finance. So let's go ahead and start the video now. First of all, open Yahoo Finance and sign into your account. Then you can see my portfolio on the top left-hand corner. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now to create a portfolio, you can see the create manually option. If you don't have this, and if you already have a CSV file of your portfolio, you can just go ahead and tap on start creating. You can drag and drop a CSV file, or else you can see start creating option. Just go ahead and tap on start creating. You can select the basic version for now, but if you are a pro, you can select the enhanced version over here. So after you do this, just go ahead and tap on continue. Now you should write down a new portfolio name and select a portfolio currency. So just go ahead and do that. After you do this, select the portfolio currency and click on create portfolio. Now, as you can see, this is the portfolio which we just created. If you want to add symbols, just go ahead and tap add symbols, and you can select some of the stocks over here from which you can compare and buy them later. So guys, this is how easy it is to create a portfolio on Yahoo Finance. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.